Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol XXII. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. Think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis yesterday, so that's where the red and green line annotations were coming from. But actually, at this point in time, these levels don't really pertain anymore. So, just going to get rid of them, as I don't want to, from a presentation standpoint, risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines all over the place. So I want to try to keep this as clean as possible. So after today's price movement, definitely some new updates need to be made. First update is in just kind of regards to where the newest area of support seems to be at, and that is right here at $2.75. Looks like about 4 different occasions today, give or take, the price came right around this 275 mark, including a couple of times this afternoon. And to give credit where credit's due, the price did indeed hold strong. And I would consider 275 a very, very important level. The reason for that is, I'm not saying this will happen, but in the event this were to happen, and this is also, why I would consider it so important. But if the price were to break below there and then worse yet, continue to separate to the downside, what would that be doing to the price at that point in time? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this channel where it was before the nice move, this nice move here even started. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they started, not exactly a sign of true power. Truly strong moves should be making progress, right? Not going back to where they were. And this 275 is kind of that progress point area, because in the event the price continues to hold like it's been doing, that would give you a set of lows there. You look at the previous set right there. If you picture these as stair steps, then from the grand scheme of things, yeah, the price is still technically making progress in the upwards direction. And that's what you want to see. And that's why, 275 is such an important level. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, in the very short term, you have that pink line right there, the 200 period simple moving average. So that'll be the initial level to keep an eye on. If the price can push up through there, the next key level to watch will be that purple line, the 50 period simple moving average. So keep an eye on these couple levels on any sort of bounce. But in my opinion, top priority right now is not necessarily breaking levels of resistance. It's all about going through a healthy consolidation and building this higher base and continuing to fortify this 275 area. So let's see if the price can get that job done or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.